All right, well, here we are I think we're at about week 4, pushing 5 now. It's been a few weeks since we did kind of any update. Had some rain the past few weekends, so didn't really get out here, but they've made a little bit of progress in the build. So you can kind of see here the garage has some brick laid out. They're hoping to kind of get started on setting this here next week. You can see the wall here for the basement. So the upper wall here is the very front of the porch. The inner section there will end up being the actual house. So between that front and this second set of bricks is just will just be the front porch. It'll get backfilled with dirt and then concrete placed on top. You can see on the front down here below grade they're starting to put some of the brick down, and that'll continue all the way up to the top of the wall. The actual elevation of the dirt when they backfill in around the house will only be about 24 inches from the top of the brick as it currently shows there. Just kind of walking around the side of the house, you kind of see this is the front driveway kind of comes in around this. So this would be the side of the house you would see first as you pull up, and a lot more of this side will be exposed just because of the elevation. So you can see they're starting the actual brick quite a bit lower on this side. As we make our way around to where the back porch will be, off this side here, see the inside. Again, this lower wall, when they build it up, will eventually be the back, the actual framed in part of the house. This corner here will end up being a utility area. Back right in here, hot water heater and several other things will be down in there. The side wall of the house coming out to the porch, and then the retaining wall will extend out a few feet beyond the back of the house, and then this area of dirt here will just get cut down and sloped out and eventually pushed out to the backyard here. You can see a pile of trees back there in the back corner. I've been clearing a bit of a fence line that goes out and there's about 2 acres, a little more than 2 acres out behind us here. That will just kind of remain we'll kind of thin it out in there and make it kind of as park-like as we can, and put a fence up around the back there. So that's about it for this week, and hopefully over the next couple of weeks we see a bit more of this brickwork getting close to finished, and then they'll pour the actual slabs, put some drainage in and a few other things, and then we'll waterproof the outside of everything and seal it and bury it up.